Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next.
Hey y'all, I'm in Walmart right now. I came here to get some stuff for my finger. I didn't show y'all this earlier, but I had to go to therapy and they had to make me a little thing. I'll tell y'all about it later. But as y'all seen, I went to the gym and now I'm just trying to find me some self-care items. So I want to get me some sleeping clothes to see, you know, what I like, some comfortable ones, preferably not any pants right now because I'm about to come on my period and I don't need no pants on me like that. Cute. Like a little dress shirt. the penguins. And then I love this blue one. So it's giving ice skating. So, ooh, and they got pockets. Look at that. I like that one. This one cute. I like this how to build a snowman. That's cute. Pink one. Oh, 2X, 3X. These. Oh, wait a minute. Are these thongs? Oh, no, no, no. I need more like a boy short. A boy short. We can do boy shorts. Oh, okay. Or these are nice too. Oh, these boy shorts too. Okay, let's see. Okay, hipster. Okay. That's cool. Those are hipsters. And I think these are the boy shorts. So. Okay. So Dr. Scholl's has these soothing spa low cut. These are cute. So I don't know what is this. These low cut too, but I don't really like fuzzy stuff like that. Let's see if we can find some Christmas socks. Okay. I don't see any Christmas socks over here. I see these, but I want like the long Christmas socks. I don't want the short ankle ones. These are cute, thick socks. Boot socks. Let's see. Okay. When I do another haul, I'm gonna try this brand's the little sports bra, cause I like these little. I like the fabric on these. Look cute, like nice necklace, like a little piece, you know. It's nice. Ooh, that's nice. The little rose. Then this little heart. That is so cute. Okay, why I felt like these would be more expensive. Maybe certain ones are more expensive, but that's cool that they give others another option. Cause you know how they be with everything that come out new. It usually be expensive as hell. But I don't know. Nah. They said this thing be breaking. It's only $7. This look used. I got one of them. Then I got this. One to get me some razors. Let me see. These are nice. I like those. Yeah, it's interesting. This is the post shave body cream. So I originally got this. This smells so manly and I hate it and I'm about to throw it away. But I'm gonna replace it with this. So I see this brand and it's all natural. It's an alternate to Epsom salt. So I don't want nothing with lavender in it though, but it does have vanilla, so I might do that, or I'm gonna do this one. This is for detox and recover. Sweat it out. That's crazy. Actually tonight we are about to go to AMC to get this Renaissance popcorn bucket, because we're going to the movies, but the movies that we're going to, I don't think they sell the Renaissance taco bucket. We just walked in, we just got here, y'all. Ooh, it smells so good. You want to get popcorn?
No, we got popcorn. Well, they make us buy popcorn.
You think so? Child, we about to see what's about to go down. If they gonna let us in, is they gonna let us do it, or no? The long ass hallway. Huh?
I've never seen an AMC with old.
No, you just want a bucket?
I just want the bucket.
Okay.
Thank you. How much it cost? It cost $24, y'all. Cause it was another one. When the Little Mermaid came out, I missed my chance. I didn't get a popcorn bucket. It's nice though. And I just brought popcorn buckets from the Dollar Tree. That's crazy. She just released her shirts. Now why the hell them shirts cost $100? These t-shirts for this movie cost $100. I love you, I do. We already spent money on your concert, on outfits, and now, oh, and the pre-release stuff. When she had us buying them boxes, we didn't know what shirts we were gonna get. We brought those. Well, I brought those. And now I'm buying a $30 popcorn bucket. And you think you about to charge me $90 for a t-shirt? If I had it, I would have got it. But I don't have it right now, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Billion to look this good. Yeah. Cause she got it. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So, what is the popcorn box? We probably gonna go back and get the cup tomorrow. Should have got the cup, but I didn't even think we were just going to get this. So we may go and get the cup tomorrow.
This one thing you did, this one